Okay, guys, check this out. This is the Christmas tree, which was decorated with nice dwarves, and we have two dwarves standing next to it. Let me tune the light right. So check it out. This is quite cool. We have squirrels, we have dwarves, some nice hearts, and other stuff. And next to it is a bonsai tree. So that's the Christmas tree, fully decorated now. In its full glory. Pretty cool. I especially like the dwarves. Krasnoludki, słuchajcie, na choinkach. Skrzaty. Nic fajniejszego. Zimują u nas. Tym razem. And here's the dog. You can see the weather outside is quite nice. There's a lot of snow. You can see there as well. Icicles. And nice panoramas. And real nice shine from the sun. Here's the most lazy creature in our house. As you guys can see, the winter is at full. Plenty of snow this year. And the hills are covered too. Nice. Let me show you the beach hut. I'm actually surprised it's still standing with so much snow on top. It's a very light construction, so... And the weather is nice today, with a lot of sun. About few degrees centigrade below zero. And here we are. Very nice and bright.